Welcome to this particular section of the tutorial. So in this particular video we'll be making use of creating a business card. So let's just roll straight up. So the first thing I'll be doing, I'll be coming to this place, just whatever it is. We're still going to resize it. Then I'll be coming to image size. I'm giving 1 8 and 600. So this is the size. Now I actually taught us before that whenever I want to make a design, so just to get a better quality, we should just increase the default size by 0, multiplied by 10 or by 7. This one I'm actually doing it by 10. It's still the same thing. So I'm deleting this. So the next thing I'll be coming here, I'll be changing the background. It's white. So the next thing we'll be bringing in a shape. This one. And I'll come to gradients. So this is the particular gradient we're making use of. You can see. Okay. So this particular pattern, this one, is it this one? This one in particular. So this first place, see the color code 3B89D3. So that's the color code. Why the other part, for this other part, the color code is 01455AB. So let me make it dark a little. 0144. So that's the color, the font, the color code for the design. Just touch it a little. I want it to be dark, a little bit dark. It's kind of okay this way. No, just make do with what we have. So this is, then I will activate, then I click OK. So I'll be activating my grid, bringing it, this one in particular, I'll be bringing it here. So I'll just increase my position, increase the so actually increased it. So the next thing I'll be doing is the stick and the shape icon. So now that it is here this way, so I'll just come here, lock it. So I'll come here, copy it, move it to this place. I'll still be maintaining. Then I'll come to 3D rotation, the Y, but so move it this way. Just coming down. So that's that for this one. So we're bringing in another shape. changing the color to black. Okay, so I'll make sure it's at the very center. So I'll be coming here, I'll be locking it. So I saw some lapses somewhere, sorry about that. So I'll just be coming to this place, I'll push, sorry, coming in the position 1 2 3 4 5. Take this one, 2 1 2 3 4 5. So the next thing I'll be coming here, I'll be bringing it to the back, very back. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be bringing in so let me just adjust this one a little sorry, this 1 2 1 2. Okay, so it's okay like this. So the next thing I'll be coming to my shape icon, bringing in this one. So let me change the color. I did a gradient of total and a darker blue. So I'll be coming to the plus icon. So for the first one, the color code is 011D7E 102D83. So I'll click on just cancel because it's already there. I don't want it to just hold that place. So the next thing I'll just be coming here with, then okay, so let me rotate it a little. So the thing is, we'll be coming to this place. So the next thing is, okay, I'll click on OK. I will just come here and bring it to the back of this one. The back of this guy here. So the next thing, I'll just come here. It's actually not showing, so I just have to do it this way. It's perfect that way. It's perfect that way. So now it's kind of look darker compared to the rest. So I'll just copy it. Come here to this part. The same thing that we actually did there. So I'll be bringing it here to the back of this guy here. And I said this guy here. I actually called it a guy. So I actually zoomed out just to be sure it is okay. I guess it's okay. It is. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be bringing in zoomed in, just lock the two of them. I don't want them to be moving. Zoomed out. So the next thing I'll be bringing in my logo, the brand logo. Going to my gallery. So let's just make use of this logo. Let's make use of this instead. So the next thing, I'll just zoom in. So with that at the center of our design, that's the center of our design. So the next thing, I'll be bringing in a text. We're bringing in a text. So the text, so I'm gonna keep it this way. Let me just bring in something to be sure. So Xerxes graphics. Sorry about the noise. So I'll be changing the font using Virgo. So I'll make sure it's at the center. Make sure it's at the center of my design. So I'll change the color. It's not in black. It's not black. Change it to black. So the next design thing I'll be bringing in is I'll be duplicating this text. Just Xerxes graphics. I'll post it here. Then I'll change the color to white. So the next, now we're changing the font to lemon milk regular. So I'll just edit it. Business card. All caps. So use the size a little. Then I'll be increasing the. That's not actually my business logo. Logo. Brand logo. So I just the line spacing. So about 32. 32 is okay for me. So I'll just be coming to this position then. So that's all for this particular designs. So let me just call this video here. So we'll be continuing in the next video. Now this is just for the front, one side of the card. So this will be. I just want to try something else. Let me just add shadow to it. Let me reduce the blur. So about 1. Let's just leave it like this with the 1. Alright, so we'll see in the next video. So we'll be dealing with the other side of the card. Thank you.